Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. You're going to be getting a few more days in my weekly vlog than normal because yesterday I filmed a video, so that's going to be going up this Saturday. But I also want to start vlogging at least a little bit every day of the week so that you can kind of see what I'm doing throughout my entire week and not just like one day a week, if that makes any sense. Anyway, so I'm just sitting down. Today I woke up extra early because I had to help my cousins get to their school, and it's been a pretty productive morning so far. I just made some coffee, and I don't usually drink coffee, but I've been really tired lately because I totally messed up my whole inner clock. I don't know exactly what you'd call it, but I've been going to bed. I was perfect when I first got here. I made myself stay up the whole day the first day and fell asleep around like 9 and woke up when I should have, and I was hungry when I should have been and everything. But then I stayed up really late one night, and ever since then I've been having really late nights, pretty much by accident, just because we've been doing so many things. Now I really have to get my body back on track because I'm just really tired. So that's why I have the coffee. And look, there's foam on top of it, which is super cool. They have a foam machine here, and both my parents hate foam on their coffee, but personally I love it, and I think this machine is super great. Today my goals are to write, so I'm going to do that first for a little while, and then I'm going to go for a run, and then after that I'll shower and then go to the library for a little while and find some German books to start translating so that I could learn new words and stuff like that. So that's gonna be fun. And yeah, I think that's pretty much all. Oh yeah, and then I'm gonna go shopping too later, hopefully. That's on the agenda. I'm not gonna buy a ton of stuff because I have to be conscientious with my money that I have here. But I do want to get some earrings because I'm afraid that while I'm here, my earring, can you hear that? So yeah, sorry if you can hear that. I'm going to get earrings, as I already said, because I don't want these to close up. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then I'll check in with you later. Hey guys, today I am out walking in the woods. It is Monday, which means that it's been a while since the last time I talked to you, the last time I made a clip, and that day I got almost everything done that I told you I was gonna do except for running. And today I was actually gonna run, but the shorts that I decided to wear today to run ended up they kept up creeping up on me, and then I forgot to bring the house key, so yeah, that happened. Now I'm just walking so that they don't ride up and that I'm not like immodest or anything. Yeah, today I didn't really do very much except sit on my butt. So I'm enjoying being out right now. I'm enjoying nature, and before I came I actually was watching YouTube videos, and one of the ones that I watched was Tried Marine Bootcamp, and that was so crazy, you guys. There was a civilian girl. I'll put her channel and the title of the video in the description box so you can check it out, but it was so intense. Oh my goodness. I just couldn't believe that there was this girl who's never done it before, who, you know, did it and really well too. And ever since now that I've watched that, my dad is a Marine, and he did his service a while ago, like before I was born, but it just gives me so much more respect for him as a Marine. Like, I don't know if I'd ever be able to do that. It looked so difficult. I would look at that if you ever get the chance. It's really nice to just record outside without feeling embarrassed because nobody's around. So yeah, today is the first day that I've successfully vlogged. I hope to vlog every day, but we'll see if that happens. If nothing interesting happens that day, obviously I won't record it because you don't want to just listen to me randomly talking or something like that without anything happening. There's a guy coming, so see you later. Go, dude. You can do it, man. Keep going. I'm cheering you on. Yeah, honestly, I'm so jealous of the people who can run so far and so fast. And sometimes I want to be able to do that. But then I remember that I hate running, so yeah. Guten Morgen alles und für Frühstück ich mache Pfannkuchen mit Banane Pfannkuchen. Los geht's! Für dieses Rezept benötigen Sie eine Banane, 2 Eier und ich mache mit Honig, aber es ist nicht auf den Rezept. Rezept. Und guten Appetit! I hope you enjoyed that little cook with me breakfast thing that I did in German. If any people are watching who know German, please excuse my terrible German. I'm still learning it, and if I said anything wrong, like the wrong word, or if it was grammatically wrong, feel free to nicely correct me in the comments so that I won't make the same mistake again. And that was actually really fun to do. It's a super easy recipe that I've really been liking lately because, for one thing, it only needs 2 ingredients unless you want to spice it up a little bit. And it's also completely gluten-free, so it's great for people with gluten allergies, and it's also vegetarian if you include egg in your diet. As you saw, I added honey, which makes it, gives it that extra sweet flavor. And there are a bunch of other things you could add, like if you wanted them to be fluffier, you could add baking powder. So yeah, and then you could also add cinnamon or really just whatever you want, which makes it, yeah, a super fun thing to cook because it's so diverse. And disclaimer, it obviously does not taste like a normal pancake, so if you're going for a recipe that tastes as close to a pancake as possible, don't choose this one because it tastes like banana. So, which to me, it's not a bad flavor at all, but you might not like it. If you want me to share more recipes, because I love cooking, so if you want me to share more recipes on here, let me know so that I know whether or not to do that sometime in the future. I'm really going to work on my German today as long as I can before I get completely sick of it. Right now, I'm using Duolingo to learn, and this is not sponsored, obviously, but just to let you know. Um, and it's working out really great for me, except the vocabulary I'm learning isn't super practical. So I've been skipping over the parts that are teaching me vocabulary, like animals and clothing and stuff like that, because I don't really need to know that for a excuse me, for a practical conversation. So I usually end up looking up um, other words that are important to learn and know to talk to people on a day-to-day basis. And then I'm also learning, the biggest thing I'm learning from Duolingo is the grammar and everything, and just a whole bunch of verbs. So it's great for that. And it's also something where they tell you what the word is. You don't only read it, you can actually hear it. You can also, there are exercises where you say it into the microphone, and then so you can improve your pronunciation and everything like that, which is really helpful. That was the top thing I was looking for in a German curriculum while I was learning it, not in Germany, because when you haven't really been exposed to how the language sounds very much, you definitely, I mean, I didn't want to just be learning from a textbook and then have all the pronunciation be basically guesswork, because if I ended up going to Germany and then have a super completely wrong pronunciation, that would be kind of embarrassing. So yeah, that's what I really like about Duolingo, and I would totally recommend it because it is free. So you don't have to pay anything unless you want to go premium, but from what I've heard, it's really not that different, and it would kind of be a waste of money. And they have way more languages than just German. So I just came back upstairs. It's the same day, just a different outfit. Yeah, so I came upstairs. Everybody's back home from, school and work and everything. Well, most everybody. We're going to go mini golfing soon, which will be really fun. I just wanted to come on and say that at home, when you're in a place that you're familiar with and you have routines in and everything, it's a lot easier to work out and stuff. So like here, I wouldn't be able to, there's not enough space for me to be able to pull up YouTube and do some sort of workout that I find on Pop Sugar Fitness or something like that. And then also, it seems like there's really not enough time in the day to do stuff, but that's probably just me not timing things right. So I haven't been able to exercise as much as I do when I'm, at home. And I've been noticing that I'm starting to kind of lose muscle a little bit, which I'm sad about. And I'm trying my best to keep it, but there's just no way that I'll be able to maintain it the way I have been while I've been at home, which sucks. But I mean, that's okay. That's what happens when you travel, and that's, just life happens. And I'm actually kind of excited to be able to sort of start over. I'm not eating as much as I do when I'm home because the portions are a lot smaller, plus the food in general, just the food culture is a lot healthier than back home anyway. So I'm not gonna gain weight, I'm just gonna be losing some muscle tone. One of my goals is to get a tennis scholarship when I go to college so that I don't have to pay as much tuition. And now that I've taken such a long break from tennis and I'm losing muscle and everything, I'm going, right when I get back home, I'm gonna really have to bust it out and kick my butt and get ready, because this is the summer before my senior year, which is insane to think about, but honestly, I couldn't be more excited to start college. All that to say, in my vlogs, I will add my fitness progress and tell you how I'm doing with tennis and everything if you're interested in that. And I think it would be kind of cool to document for myself too. So yeah, hopefully that'll be an interesting transformation. Yep. Hey everybody, so it is Friday morning and I know that I have one more day to vlog, but I'm really not going to be doing anything too interesting. Plus people are going to be coming over and visiting, so I want to be present for that. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.